Hello viewers, today I was feeling about can you add a collaborator on Instagram account after posting? We don't have an option where after posting that I will show you. Here we need to click on tag people. So we don't have an option after posting. We have an option of before the posting to invite collaborator. I was clicking on post. Here I was clicking that. I click on next option. I was taking a post and I was clicking on next option. After here we can see tag people. So here we have a symbol of edit invite collaborator. Before that we don't, after posting we don't have an option. We have an option before the posting. Thank you. If you invite the collaborator means just click on here. So search which ID you have. So add the people and they will accept your request means that will be invite collaborator. Thank you.